Welcome to our Homologa tutorials where we explore tips and tricks from Homologa, the global crop protection database. Today we will be discussing languages in Homologa, in this case within the results, within the data itself. When it comes to the language in Homologa at the data level within the results, we have different options. In this slide, you can see that now we are talking about this level of language information. When it comes to the results, we are currently working with more than 30 different languages in Homologa. We are including original information in the original languages in each of those 4 subcategories. We have original trade names. If you want to search for a particular product in the original language, you can do that. You can also have results for the crop in the original language, as well as for the pest and for the original uses. I am going to give you an example on how this is displayed on Homologa. I am just going to move from here to Homologa. Here, we are going to see the main interface. From here, the option that I have selected to show you how these different languages are displayed in Homologa is by using the Full Product Information module. This is a crop protection module. As an example, I will select a particular active ingredient in Japan. That way I am going to be able to extract information in Japanese for the fields that I mentioned earlier in the video. Let me go ahead and enter the name of the country, which is Japan. And then I can enter in this case an active ingredient. In this case I will choose acetamiprid, which I will enter in my active filter. I can of course play around with the product filter, enter information about the crop itself, pest information. I will leave the rest empty. This will give me all the information that we have available in Homologa for acetamiprid in Japan. I am going to run this report. And we are going to get the following results. You can see that we have a little bit more than 7,000 results. I have customized this report in a way that you can see all the different fields that we have in Homologa within this module with the original language, in this case in Japanese. You can look for the trade name of this particular product in Japanese. You can see the name in Japanese and also the translation of that product in English. We have all the fields that you might need when it comes to the active ingredient, etc. Then moving on to the crop, you can see that we have this crop original here, which is basically the Japanese version of this field that we have in English for the Chinese cabbage. We also have crop info original, and this is an information that enhances the information related to the crop. In this case, we believe that it is something close to the seedlings box or the transplants, what it says here in Japanese. We also have other information when it comes to the application description in Japanese. Moving on to the pest, you can see that now we have different pests translated in English, but then if you want to go ahead and check the pest original, you can also do that in this particular field. As you can see, there are different ways of accessing the original information when it comes to the different languages that are available in Homologa. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips and tricks for using Homologa helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.